Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. I have reviewed a few things that I got from Temu before. Some of them worked really well, some of them did not. But this time I got something new from Temu. It is a multifunction control knob for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So this knob actually sits on the center console of your car, so you can control many things, multiple controls in your car. And it also has a few shortcut buttons too. You can control like volume in the car, climate control, and much more. So in today's video, I'll show you what comes in the box, and then step-by-step installation should be really easy to install, and then we'll test it out and see how it looks in my Tesla Model Y. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this multifunction control knob with smart docking system for your Tesla Model 3, Model Y center console. And here what comes in the box. Let's check out the knob itself first. So this is the control knob, multifunction control knob. I believe you can control the volume of the audio in the car, climate control, and a few other controls too. Also a few shortcuts buttons here, and you still have a docking system with USB-C and USB-A here with ambient lighting top and bottom. Now let's check out the quality of the product, because you know sometimes getting products from Temu could be a little tricky, but this one I am impressed. First, let's hear this clicking sound from the knob. As you can hear, it's really satisfying clicking, and you can press to select, turn to change, or to adjust. And I love the quality of the knob itself. Seems really sturdy, and the whole product too. And this is where you connect the power to the docking system, and also has, I believe this is the micro SD slot, so you can upgrade the software in the future. Also, this is the wire harness for the system. So this is the main wire harness where you connect the wiring to the side passenger panel. So this is the power pass-through, and this is the OBD pass-through with all the control from the car. This will connect to the wireless box. So this is the wireless box. This will communicate wirelessly to the docking system itself, so you don't have to run the wire from the side passenger panel to the dock. Also a front passenger seat control, so you connect this to the wire harness too. Similar plug here. Also the power cable, so you connect this to the bottom of a docking system, USB-C ports. Let me show you where to get this multifunction knob. I got this new smart dock with multifunction knob and shortcut buttons from Temu or Temu.com, and this is really good deal, and I got it within a week. And if you are interested, you can download the app and search the promo code as you see on the screen right now in the Temu search bar to get $100 coupon bundle for all users. Alright, now let's go and install it in my Tesla Model Y. Before we start the installation, you will need some of these plastic trim removal tools. I'll drop the link in the description down below. Now let's get started. Next, use one of the trim removal tools to help remove this panel right here. No screw all the clips. The next one is this panel. You can just use your hand to remove it. After that, we have to remove this one, but before that, you have to remove part of the rubber seal first. The rubber seal's out. Just remove a plastic locking clips right here. So just use one of the two to remove the clip out. As you can see, it's really easy to remove. Now you should be able to pull this whole door seal panel out. So just clips. Here you go. So the whole panel should come out. Next, there's one more plastic locking clip, use the stem tool, and then remove the clip out. Now we have the full access to this passenger side panel right here. Before we go to the next step here, I highly recommend to turn off the power in the car first. Just go to the main menu and then scroll down to safety and all the way down, power off. Now we are ready to unplug and plug in the OBD port. So first we have to unplug this power. You open this panel. For Model Y, it's on the inside of this panel right here, and that is the blue plug. It's open port, the open OBD port. You can just plug it in. And for Model 3 and the Model 3 Hainan, the power supply plug should be the same, and OBD should be white, and it's right here and should be open too, so you can just plug it in there. Now you can unplug the power and then plug in the power. Just plug this one back in, like so. Now we can plug in the power. We can plug this back into the wire harness. We can plug this blue one into the blue plug inside. This one right here is all the way on the inside. There you go. It's in, as you can see right there. The Model 3 and Model 3 Hainan should be a lot easier because right on the outside. Now OBD plugged and the power is connected. Let me show you how to connect the adapter for the front passenger seat. In order to do that, you have to remove this panel out, but before you can do that, there's like a screw on the bottom here. Let me show you. You can use T20 to unscrew it out. So here's that screw right there. You will need a T20 just right here below the seat, just right that location. So easiest way to remove is to use a small wrench and a T20. After you unscrew it, there are clips right here, so just gently pull it out just like so, and then you'll see this seat control plug. So this is where the seat control is, and just unplug this one, like a purple and yellow, out. Now connect the original plug from the car, which is purple and yellow, to the green and white from the display, like so. And then now you just plug this one back in to the plug that we unplug from the seat control. We just plug this one back in when we unplug the seat control, and then we're done. Just put everything back. After you're done installing the adapter for the front passenger seat, just connect the box. As you can see, it's labeled front passenger seat box, and then just apply the double-sided tape in the back and then stick it underneath the seat somewhere. Last but not least, you have to connect a wireless transmitter box to the OBD connecting plugs here. After that, you just hide the box. There's space right here in the panel. Just hide the box and manage the cable, and then just put all the pieces and panels back together, and we are done with the installation of the OBD plug, power, and then also the seat control. Next step here will be installing the control knob itself. This is the easiest part. Make sure you plug these two USB-C power to the back of the knob. Make sure the knob is facing this way. So it's facing this way, so this will face this way right here, because we'll be installing this way so we can read the writing on this side. And you need two of them because one of them will power the knob and then the other one will power the docking adapter. So the other one will power these two ports right here, USB-C and USB-A port. After that, we just put it in this way. So let me show you real quick. So you will be plugging these two USB-C plugs into your two USB-C port in the center console. We got two right here. Let me show you. 1, 2, as you can see there. And before that, just angle the the knob panels this much probably, and then make sure it's facing this way, and then you just turn a little bit. There you go. Now it's straight, and then just keep moving this direction. Now it's pretty much done. You can put on the adhesive here, but I prefer not to, so it's easier to remove if you want to remove. Now you just plug these two right here, because the length is basically perfect to plug it in. Do a USB-C 1 and 2. There you go. Now you can see it's all powered up. So it looks really nice. So you can see the color of the knob and the color of the center console in my Model Y matches really well. Now let me show you how it looks in my Tesla Model Y. Here you go. Now you can see much better. We have the ambient light on the bottom and the top, and also underneath the knob. So when you press one time, it's AC. Okay, so there are different menus here. As you turn, the menu change. So you press again to activate that menu. You can change to auto, to off. This ambient light, color number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, as you can see the color is changing, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, auto. Very cool. You press again, can select to setting, functions, logo, versions. So there are 3 different settings. On, off, AC. Now you can turn off the AC, the rear AC. So the rear AC vents, it's off right now, which is really convenient. Now you can turn on, change the volume. Let me show you real time. So it's showing right here. As you can see, as I turn, it will increase the main volume in the car, the audio volume in the car. Press again to go out, and then press again to change. So you have to press to activate that function. Okay, so you can skip the song as you whatever the source you on right now. Let's change to AC. So press to activate. Right now it's 4. We change to 5, 6. When you change on the knob, it will send the command to the actual computer in the car, but it does not reflect on the display. As you can see, it's 8 right now, but the main display is still showing 4. But then when I change in the car, okay, so it's 7. I change in the car, it will reflect on the knob. So it's the other way around here. That's how you use the knob. And what else can we change here? Change the menu that we did already, and the seat. So you have to select first. So as you turn, you control the front passenger seat, forward, push to the front, and push back to the rear. And the other one, I believe, is backrest. So as you turn, you adjust the reclining functions on the front passenger seat. So let's say this way, when you do not have anyone sitting in the front and the rear passenger needs more leg room, you can use this knob to control the front passenger seat, which is really cool. Alright, so we're done with the seat. Climate control, shower lock. So just press and then it will just activate the child lock. Press again, or just turn off the child lock. Press again to go out to the next menu. So this one is the side view mirror. So I turn, then it folds the side view mirror. I turn again, and then it unfolds the side view mirror. So it has a few shortcuts here. Those are all the functions in the knob. Also, there are a few shortcuts here. The first one is accelerator. So change from chill to standard without going to the menu. Here you have to go main menu and then go to dynamics and then change. So it's too many steps to change from chill to standard. So to bypass all of that steps, you just press this button here, then it will change. And then here to auto AC, so press the button, your AC become auto. As you can hear, it become auto. It's cranking up right now because I changed the temperatures a little low. See, it becomes auto quickly. And then you press again, it becomes normal or manual. Really convenient. And this one is to lock the window, or not windows in the car. Press again to unlock. So it has the light. So when you activate, it's red. When you deactivate, there's no more light, which is really cool. And what is this one? Press OK. So this is the glove box, which is really nice. I love the shortcut for the glove box a lot, because in order to open the glove box, you have to go 1 and 2, open the glove box. So you have to actually, if you're driving and you try to open the glove box, that's a little too complicated for most people. Instead, now you can just press this button right here, and then glove box will just open, which is super convenient. So those are all the functions on this cool knobs that I got from Temu. You still have the power for your phones. You can plug in the USB-A and USB-C here. I love the look and the quality. It's good. All of the buttons and the knob, love the clicking on the knob. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break anytime soon. It seems really sturdy. As you can see in the video, the knob actually works really well. It does all the functions that it's supposed to do, and I'm surprised how good the quality of this knob is. As you can see, it has multi-functions with the LED lights for the ambient light and much more. And I tested it and it all worked really well. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this awesome knob for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. And I got it from Temu. Most likely you get something good, or something might not be as good as you think from Temu, but this time I'm surprised how good the product is and for the price. And I got a few other products from Temu too, because I usually don't get one things from Temu. My wife buy a lot of stuff from Temu all the time for the house. I also got this really cool scooter from Temu for less than $200. Not only that, I also got this awesome display for 164 die cast from Temu too. There's so many awesome deals on Temu. I know a lot of people complain, bad quality products from Temu, but this time all the stuff I got, awesome quality, and most importantly, awesome deals. And don't forget to check out the link in the description down below and special code so you can get that $100 bundle from Temu. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.